In this video, we're going to explore easy and unique content ideas to earn money on YouTube. So here we go. Channel Concept 1. Body Hub is a channel that presents health-related videos while refraining from facial expressions. They receive 2.4 million monthly views, therefore advertising alone could generate $24,000 per month for them. That is unquestionably more than the majority of full-time employment. This video will provide an overview of 9 additional YouTube channel concepts that are potentially viable for implementation. Body Hub's videos consist solely of an individual narrating over stock footage obtained from websites such as Careful Motion, Elements, VidEasy, Pixabay, and Hexagon. You can modify videos of this nature using free video editors for Mac and mobile devices, including iMovie for Mac users and Shortcut, HitFilm Express, OpenShot, and PowerDirector Mobile for cell phones. You can record voiceovers with an inexpensive USB microphone, such as a Blue Yeti Nano, on your phone. Or you can hire an Upwork freelancer to do the task on your behalf. With more than 1 million subscribers, this channel is eligible to receive one of these gold play icons, which I have acquired for one of my leading channels. Now I wish to assist you in acquiring a gold play icon. Any of the following channel concepts will suffice. Therefore, please peruse this and select the one that you are most inclined to undertake. Channel Concept No. 2. A faceless channel with 1.2 million monthly views, which could generate between $20,000 and $25,000 in advertising revenue alone. Automated software is employed by this channel to facilitate the production of their videos. The channel is titled Chris Invests, and it consists solely of videos about investing in personal finance. His visage is not even visible on the channel. Upon observing any of the videos, one will behold these magnificent animations that are interspersed throughout. You're likely thinking to yourself, Matthew, wouldn't these animations be extremely difficult to create? Furthermore, they are exceedingly straightforward, particularly when software such as VideoScribe or Doodly is employed to perform the majority of the labor. The process can be reduced to the literal act of dragging and dropping various icons. The software will handle the animation automatically. You may have observed that, at least according to my calculations, Chris Invests and Body Hub earn comparable amounts of money despite Body Hub receiving significantly more views. You may be wondering, Matthew, why is that? This is because anything about finance, online money making, or investing will have a significantly higher RPM. Moreover, this represents the earnings generated by a YouTube channel or video for every 1,000 views. Moreover, I demonstrate in this video how much various YouTube channels earn per 1,000 views. Channel Suggestion No. 3. Navigate to the travel guides section of websites such as US News Travel. There are travel guides and an infinite number of destinations written about them, detailing the finest restaurants, hotels, and so forth. This presents an opportunity for us to accumulate knowledge on these destinations, rephrase them in our terms, conduct additional research on numerous other websites, and incorporate as much of that information as possible into scripts. We can then easily distribute them to the world via YouTube. This is precisely what The World According to Bridge channel does. It discusses various travel destinations and locations across the globe. They receive 9 million monthly views, and their advertising revenue could reach $45,000 per month. Another channel that does this and receives nearly 1 million monthly views is Scary Harry. They simply discuss the best places to live and retire in various countries around the globe. Channel Idea 4. A channel idea with the potential to generate income exceeding that of a full-time occupation can be achieved with the simple installation of a single program called OBS on your computer. Once that is accomplished, you can easily record your screen demonstrating how to use various websites and programs using this entirely free program. This may sound a bit too simplistic, but TechGunbo is a channel that generates 1.7 million monthly views by doing precisely this. That equates to approximately $10,000 per month, which is unquestionably more than the majority of full-time employment. The irony is that a significant number of these channels and others of a similar nature do not even include any dialogue in their videos. Channel Idea No. 5. A channel concept particularly for those with a penchant for eerie content. Channels such as Top 15's Chills and Nuke's Top 5 produce videos with voiceovers that address frightening subjects and then grant fair use to the content. Each month, these channels amass millions of views. Channel Idea 6. It's probable that you, like me, are an avid viewer of other YouTubers, given that you're currently engaged with this video. Now, if you are already engaged in this activity, my inquiry is as follows. Why don't you simply turn it into a profession? They might inquire, Matthew, how on earth could I accomplish that? That brings us to our subsequent channel concept, which will center on a channel known as Sunny2. Presently, this individual is merely discussing various YouTubers whose content you may already be acquainted with. Additionally, he receives 32 million monthly views, which could be worth more than $100,000 in advertising revenue alone. Consequently, an individual who engages in YouTube activity may potentially earn a livelihood by merely discussing their preferred YouTubers. Conducting research for such videos could also prove enjoyable or lucrative, given the opportunity to discuss both preferred and unfavorite YouTubers. The channel Brainy Dose receives an estimated monthly ad revenue of $20,000 derived from 4 million views and covers psychological topics such as how to read anyone instantly, which amassed close to 10 million views. All of the backgrounds utilized in their videos are stock imagery. I am aware that we have already discussed a few places where you can obtain stock footage earlier in this video. However, as an added benefit, here we display all free download and mix kit, all of which offer stock footage. Channel concept number 7. This individual, Joseph Rodriguez, operates a channel with nearly 1 million monthly views, and none of his videos feature him in person. His summaries of various spiritual literature are presented in videos that merely overlay a mind map with a screen capture. Mind maps are merely graphical representations of information that can be generated with software such as Mind, Diagrams.net, or Dynalist. Channel concept no. 8. This video has received more than 500,000 views. You may be thinking that achieving that number of views would necessitate some absurd video editing and production that could be prohibitively expensive and time-consuming. However, in reality, it is merely a slideshow. Furthermore, it is possible to generate presentations using software applications such as Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides. After simply recording your screen with OBS, you can further enhance your demonstrations by implementing a tool such as Flat Icon, which provides icons for free, and your presentations can enhance their visual appeal and increase their level of engagement. Presently, slideshow content can function exceptionally well in the majority of segments where the emphasis is on the content rather than the visuals of the videos. For instance, in numerous specialized domains such as health, wealth, and psychology, the emphasis of these videos is on the information presented within them. Therefore, it is perfectly acceptable to simply have a slideshow so that they have a visual representation of the video. However, viewers will probably be more attentive to the content and feedback presented in the video. Optimal YouTube niche selection. Matt, could you kindly provide me with a list of the most exemplary niches that you would personally pursue when launching a new channel? Indeed, the response to that inquiry is affirmative. The following are, in my opinion, the most advantageous niches that I would strongly contemplate when launching my own YouTube channel. In addition, these encompass health, technology, travel, relationships, pleasure, and wealth. Currently, to generate revenue on YouTube, 4,000 hours of viewership and 1,000 subscribers are considered standard. However, what makes these YouTube specializations, in my opinion, the best is that it is possible to accomplish that before meeting those requirements. Furthermore, in a moment I will provide a detailed explanation of precisely how to accomplish that. However, before that, I would like to provide you with a small amount of additional value in this video. I am pleased to present a selection of the most lucrative niches on YouTube with an average revenue per 1,000 views that surpasses that of many other niches. In addition, these encompass real estate, marketing, cosmetics, travel, health, finance, investing, technology, online money making, movies, insurance, and automobiles. Once more, this is because a greater number of advertisers are placing advertisements on such content. Furthermore, any of the concepts that I have just demonstrated in this video can be implemented with a high-yield partner product. I believe this is, once more, one of the most slothful methods of generating income online, and I provide a step-by-step explanation in this video. You are welcome to view and respond to this. I sincerely hope that the free information I have just provided has been of some use to you. I look forward to seeing you there.
If you could tell me the perfect sounds, the perfect noises for your meditation that you would like to hear, whatever